I bought this Flies mosquito net for windows because we don't have a screen in our 20 by 20 inch crank window and there are no screens to be purchased. So I figured I will just DIY it. Boing, boing, boing. This is the little installation dude. That's it. Here is the instructions. Clean it, peel off the tape, install it, cut it. It says wait 2 hours for that tape to fully cure. Then you press the net onto the tape and cut it down to size. It seems easy enough. Here is the mesh. It is basically like a tool, very thin, but strong. It is not fiberglass screen whatsoever, not firm at all. And then here is the Velcro. So you're gonna peel off the backing. It's self-adhesive on the back, and then the front is just a one-sided Velcro. So the tool or net is just gonna stick onto this. Use the tool so that you don't hurt your fingers. Very interesting. This is here and these are here. So I can't do it on here. I've got to do it on the inside. So this is gonna be really tricky. It's very easy to cut and peel. So that is how it looks with the Velcro installed on the inside of the frame. Honestly, if you get the same color as your frame, you won't even see it. Now I'm gonna let it cure for 2 hours before installing the tool. Actually, really easy to stick it to the Velcro just by hand. And once you kind of get it stretched out, not super tight, but stretched out enough that it's not all floppy, then you cut it to size and then you use the little plastic tool. It's got these little grooves that you use to smash it down in there. It actually really works well. All right, we are fully installed and yes! Now we can open the window. We got a screen. Oh, that's so exciting. This was actually way easier than I thought it would be. And I figured out that if you cut it not super close, but like cut it pretty close, but the best you can fold it onto itself and then smash it down with this. So it's like 2 layers of the tool smashed down. And that gives you a much nicer edge than if you were just cutting it. But you know, it's not perfect. It's not professionally made, but for so cheap and so quickly, you can do this. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Boing, 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 boing. And here it is during the day. Oh, we've been loving it. This is the white. They do have a black version if you have darker frame. This thing is so budget friendly and quick and easy to install.